National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Yuma County and northeastern Colorado, north central Kit Carson County until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 15 miles north of Stratton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Joes and Kirk. This includes Highway 385 between mile markers 209 and 210. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Colorado: Kit Carson and Yuma. Significant weather.